I am completely fulfilled and content, always and in all ways. I experience you as I do myself, complete perfection, in need of nothing and in perfect resonance all the time. You have just as much right as anyone else to express yourself, to make your choices, and behave in a way that brings you the most peace. I have no authority over you, so you never need ask or seek my approval for your life. I do not own you, and no one else does either. Your life is none of my business. You own you. You are as free as every other being to express yourself in any way that you see fit. To me, you are already the best version of yourself that you could ever be. I'm grateful for the experience of you and your willingness to fully and completely express yourself. Rather than auditioning for my approval based on some ignorant idea of what you think will please me. Pleasing me is my job. You are not here to accommodate me, nor I you. From my perspective, know that you are always the most perfect version of the essence that you choose to express. You are the peace you seek. Live deliberately. Namaste.